Congratulations! You have made it to the last sound in Theory 2. This is a huge accomplishment, and you have only 4 lessons left before you will know all of your theory. So the last sound is the ally ending, like you'd hear in the word brutally. And we write this A-E-L. So you would write brute, and then a second stroke of A-E-L. And we can always put a consonant with this ally sound. So a word like carefully would be written care, and then F-A-E-L. Now do be aware of the difference between the ly ending that you already learned and this one. So the word finely, to finely chop an onion, is written fine, second stroke, L-A-E. But to finally chop the onion is written fine, second stroke, A-E-L. So how would you write the word dismally? First stroke, D-I-Z. Second stroke, M-A-E-L.